Hey, it's Christy. Welcome back. I am here for my Hobonichi 2026 planner haul. I received this package today and I am going to open it with you all and share my first impressions of my order for uh, my plans next year. So let's get into it. Here's the box and raise it up a little bit. Okay. And let's see. Okay, we have the Hobonichi Techo app. Some paper, some bubble wrap, and let's see what's in here. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Hey, it's Editing Christie. Okay, so you heard that big sigh. What I originally thought that I ordered was a cousin Avec. It didn't dawn on me that I selected the wrong one, but since this is from uh, Japan and the cost of the shipping and the tariffs, I'm not doing anything about it. I'm going to pivot and make the most out of what I have going on here. The Hobonichi Techo is set up, I believe, with the calendars in the front and the monthly calendars in the front and the days each day. I recorded this footage a while back, and these items are now packed up because I'm moving. But here we are. Two books. Last year or this year, I ordered. Last year, I ordered for 2025 the Techo uh, daily. This is the same setup. This is the first January through June, and then July through December. I don't know if I'm going to maybe get long without Hobonichi cousin, but we'll see. Set those to the side. Uh, I do have a B5 A5 pencil board, and then I purchased two Hobonichi Weeks. One with the kitties and the Yumi Kajisi White Cat's Daily Life January start weeks. And I'll open that up. It is soft. It's hard. This is hard. Hardbound. Um, this year, I had a softbound and a mega, but I realized I didn't necessarily need that, and so I ordered. I like this. This cover is really cute. Um, the print, and then it's stamped Yumi Kisa, uh, Kitagishi, Hobonichi. It is the Hobonichi size and the same setup that you're used to seeing. It is an English edition, so the words at the bottom of the page are in English. And then we have pages in the back. You have, let's see, 74 pages, 75 pages in the back. And I didn't need that much space this time around like I did this year. And they give a little unique Kijitsu card and the pocket for that in the back. And so that is my weekly Hobonichi Weekly. And then I bought this one, the bow and tie happy ice cream Hobonichi, and this is a hardcover, but this is a cloth material, and I thought this is so cute. And so it's just as the same as the other one. It's similar. Um, it does have strings. What I didn't see up here, yeah, these have strings as well, and they're black and silver. But I like those Hobonichi Weeks, and so we have the A6 or the Techo, and then we have um, the two Happy Ice Cream and the kitty Yumi Kitty Gishi. Okay, and I'm gonna move those over to the side. Move this over. I did purchase two covers. I went plain because I wanted to cover those Hobonichis. I know that I throw my planners in my purse, and I'd rather make sure that they're protected because this is a cloth material and it can get dirty, especially if it's in your purse. And this one is more of a glossy cover. It's real slick, but you can see the light flashing back on it. That's just the shine. So I did buy two plain Hobonichi Weeks covers. Okay, so move all this out the way. And these are usually the Uniball, yeah, the Uni pen, and they're multicolored ballpoint. And I have some around here. I just don't know where one is at right now. I'm a jail girl, so I or a fountain pen majority of the time. So sometimes I don't pick it up. But yeah, it's a blue. It's more of a blue this year than a teal green. So it's like a brown and blue. So I have three of those because I ordered three planners. Let me move these over. And I did order a Tamagotchi pencil board for the weeks. I do have um, previous year's week size pencil boards, so I didn't need to buy two. I just wanted to buy a new one because I like the artwork on here, pink. And so there's the pencil board, and then this I'm assuming is the free gift. It's the tiny robot paperweight, and it says "Love You." I think that's the free gift because I didn't order that. All right, and this is my Hobonichi 2026 haul. And I am quite pleased doing something different because this is only a portion of my planners that I have in my ecosystem set for 2026. So I hope you enjoyed this quick call with me, and I hope to talk to you soon in the next one.